Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Mix. Today I'm gonna paint a t-shirt, yay, with the gong. Oh, this is so exciting. I'm gonna paint a t-shirt. Oh my god, this is how I started, so I'm really excited and nervous at the same time because this is basically my creative career, if you want to call it like that. I used to paint on the floor. I used to pin the t-shirt down, put a little bit of cardboard inside and just start painting. And oh my God, I painted so many. And that is what I used to do in my shop. Yep, I had my own art and craft shop when I was in Italy, and I used to paint mainly on fabric, but I used to do mural and loads of other stuff. But I haven't done it for quite some times, but really a mixture of excited and extremely nervous. But I hope this is gonna go well, and I really hope you're gonna enjoy this video because, as I said, this is so important to me. And oh my God, I'm so excited, and it's just like, whoa, bringing back so many memories for me. So let's stop faffing about and let me show you what I do and how I do it. I've drawn this gong, and obviously I've got an obsession with them, which has escalated recently, the last couple of years. At the back, I've already done something that it should look like these are the colors that I want to use, and then I try to reproduce it better, and I wanted to change a few things. So this is what I'm gonna work with at the moment. So what I do, I pin it down on another card. Amazon packaging, always handy. And once this is ready, I'm gonna put it inside the t-shirt. So I've got the sample. I am not gonna go freehand on a t-shirt. I have tried it. It's hard work and I don't like it. I find it easier drawing on a piece of paper and then working with the paint and just turning it into something that you like. Okay, the design is now ready and pinned. I finally found a t-shirt that I really like because I wanted something long and a bit baggy, but you can never find it. So I've got this white top. Ta-da! I quite like it. And then we need to work out. Oh, it's inside out. Here's our t-shirt, our drawing. I know it's not ironed, it's all good. And usually it's about, you don't want it too low. So let's put it inside the t-shirt, making sure it's in the middle. Let's protect it a little bit more. I think my t-shirt is now ready, so let's get on with it. White is brilliant because you can see, you can put the drawing underneath and then just go over the lines. But if it was a black or a colored t-shirt, I would have used a tracing paper. And also when I used to do portraits, I would just get the picture and just because I wanted to make sure that the proportions were okay. So trace the main points, like where the eyes are, where the nose is meant to go, and the mouth, or if it was an animal, if it was a dog. I did loads of pets portraits. So same again, eyes, nose, and the mouth. And then I used to just make it come to life with the paint. But let's get on with it. I've got my trusted towel, and then I've got my paint. What I used to use in my shop is this brand, it's Deca Colors, because I absolutely love them. They are brilliant. But I never tried anything else because I love them so much and I love the effect. But I'm pretty sure that any other brand of colours would do exactly the same job. I need this as well, just in case I want to mix some colours. I've got my black. I need to be so careful. White t-shirt. Oh my God. I'm so scared. And these are all my colours. Not sure if I'm going to use them all, but let's line them up. And I have got my brushes. Same again. I probably don't need all of them, but it's good to have a selection. I know it might sound weird, but first of all, I start with the outlines just so I know where I'm painting and what I'm doing. And now let the fun begin. Okay, the main part has been done. All I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wait for this to dry and then I'm gonna start doing the border and the borders and doing some tidy up of the drawing. Oh my God, this is so exciting. I can't believe it. I'm painting again on fabric. Oh, I'm so happy. So I'll see you in a minute when this is dried and then we start doing all the little details. You can dry with a hairdryer, which is great, which I used to do that all the time, being under pressure and all of that. But now let's do the borders. Let's do the tricky bit. Ta-da! It's finished. I'm really pleased with it. I'm relaxed now. It's finished and it turned out really, really well. I'm really pleased with this. I can't wait to let it dry, get it off and wear it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not give us the thumbs up? It really helps the channel. And also, why not subscribe and hit that little bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video is out. So take care for now. Bye bye.